Hi, Deadlock's here again with a quick update on the restoration of these. Vinegar's not working too good. The reason is I bought what said was distilled vinegar, but they've sent what isn't, and I didn't read the bottle because that would be sensible, but it is making a difference. So I'll try and get a picture of what they were like before and put it in here. But you can actually see some bare metal coming through. That bit is still looking nasty, but for now I'm just going to chuck them back in there. They've been in for about 20 hours so far. It's slow going, so I'm going to stick with it for now. There is the option of boiling some of this down, which will apparently make it stronger, but that sounds like it'll make my house smell. So for now I'm sticking with that.